Hey friends, if you wish to enable Windows Spotlight feature on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So it's not very difficult. Here's what you have to do. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now go to personalization. On the list on the right hand side, select background, okay, and then change from pictures to Windows Spotlight. So this is for the normal background here. Now it will be changed to Windows Spotlight. As you can see, my earlier wallpaper was the general Windows wallpaper, Windows 11 wallpaper, but this one is different. And other than this, if you want to do it for the lock screen, then return to personalization, scroll down, select lock screen, and then you can change it to Windows Spotlight from here. Though in the case of lock screen, Windows Spotlight is usually the default option. So you can do this, and yeah, Windows Spotlight will keep on changing the wallpaper from time to time, or the lock screen wallpaper from time to time. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.